So today is Monday, which is good for us because it means that when we go to places, people will be at work, hopefully. So it means hopefully it'll be a bit of a quieter day where we go, so that's good.
Mama.
That's not mama, that's some washing on a line, Penny. What are we going to do today then? So I'll tell you what we're doing. We are going to go to a forestry walk, aren't we? And have a look at all the different trails and the trees and the flowers.
Afan Forest Park is a 48 square mile forest park located in South Wales. It's well known for its mountain biking and hiking trails.
So we've arrived at Afan Country Park, I think it said. Yeah, it should be pretty quiet, as I say. It's Monday morning, so no one should be here, should they? You enjoying yourself? This is fun. Yeah. What are we going to do then? We're going to find some animals. Yeah.
Approximately 20% of Wales is covered in woodlands and trees and soaks up approximately 1.84 million tonnes of carbon dioxide, which is equivalent to around 355,000 vehicles driven for 1 year, or 4.1 billion miles.
I didn't go down there because I thought you would want to be a bit more steady on your feet.
So it's lovely and peaceful here. Now and again you get a few vehicle noises driving by the main road, but mostly it's just the sound of the river and the birds singing. We might continue around the trail a bit more. I think it's like an hour and a half in total to do the whole trail. So we've got plenty of time on the car. Just depends on how strenuous the rest of it's going to be. You know, I don't mind walking, don't get me wrong, but when you've got bags and a baby and more bags, it gets a little weighty. We got ourselves a tired little baby. Just waiting for it to fall asleep.
All this adventure has conked her out, so we head back to the car while she enjoys sleeping in my arms. We were recommended to take a 30-minute drive out to see a waterfall. Some of the views we saw on the way were gorgeous and made you realise how much beauty we had on our doorstep.
So we've made our second stop of the day. We are the only people here, and today we're going to check out a waterfall. This appears to be a death-defying venture. Lots of mud around on these narrow trails.
The mud is always on the bit where it's just the path and a sheer drop.
Yeah. Hello, Penny. Can you say Dada? Yeah. Oh, I think I can see the waterfall.
Oh yeah.
Melincourt Waterfall is around 80 feet high and located in Resolven, just outside the Vale of Neath.
Can you say, that was a pretty amazing waterfall? Yeah. So we're just heading back to the car now. We might stop for a cheeky McDonald's with a chocolate milkshake.
It's been pretty exhausting today, actually. I've got an extra 15 or 16 pounds on me because of Penny, so it means a lot more strain on the legs when walking, especially on the hills and stuff, so it's given me a good workout. All this fresh air and walking and exercise. Yeah, we're pretty tired actually, so Rachel's cooking us up a nice sweet and sour chicken. Plan for tonight? Don't know, bit of TV maybe a movie, but otherwise, yeah, that's pretty much the end of our day.